Good morning. Today we're going to be doing a chip repair for a windshield for a Volkswagen Atlas. This will be the beginning and end of the service. Let's get this going. So the chip is right here. I'll show it to you guys in a bit. So I'm going to make a small description. So sometimes we get like little rocks that will create little surface cracks. And it's a very clear example on this windshield. So we have an actual chip right here with a scar line, and then we have a small little surface chip right here that are actually two together, but they're just over the surface, so they don't create any actual cracks. When you see that, don't repair them. But when you see this, do repair them, and I'll show you right now. Scammer, not scammer. Scammer, not scammer. So these are the repair. This is a chip that needs to be repaired. Where's my finger? Right there. See the star line. There you go. Right there. Oh, oops. There you go. Right there. That's the chip. And this right here is not a chip. That's just a surface crack. Oh, my finger. We'll go to this one. There you go. So these right here, these are just surface cracks, meaning that they don't have any pockets that will actually retain any pressure or moisture, and that doesn't cause a crack to continue to progress. If someone tries to fix those, nothing will happen because they'll try to inject the resin. It could create pressure. It could actually crack the actual pocket, or the resin would just come off. So scammer, be careful. Chamber. So always when I do repairs, I make sure that I do an incision and then a small chamber. The chamber, what it does, it actually creates an open pocket for all the crevices and lines that the chip may have, opening them and allowing them to release whatever pressure they may have, and also allowing the resin to flow much more evenly.